Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel a SiriusXM subscription, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your SiriusXM subscription, start by visiting the SiriusXM website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or subscription management section. Look for the option labeled Manage Subscription or Cancel Subscription. Click on this option to see your subscription details. Review the information provided to ensure you are canceling the correct plan. Follow the prompts to initiate the cancellation process. You may be asked to provide a reason for your cancellation. Complete any required fields and confirm your decision to cancel. After submitting your cancellation, check for a confirmation message on the screen. You should also receive a confirmation email shortly after. Keep this confirmation for your records in case of any future inquiries. If you prefer to cancel over the phone, call SiriusXM customer support. Have your account information ready for faster service. Follow the prompts provided by the customer service representative. Confirm your cancellation request with them. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation email. Remember to check your billing statement to ensure no further charges occur. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your SiriusXM subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.